Okay, folks, so, like once again, I just spent the last 20 minutes talking only to realize that, the video wasn't recording. I think I know what the problem is. I think it's the Arduino itself. I think the Arduino somehow interferes with whether there's a recording going on. Like when it's plugged into the USB, obviously if it's independent, that's not gonna happen. Because every time I go to, like, I turn on the recording and then I start doing stuff with the Arduino, like uploading and downloading and stuff, that's when it starts going weird. So anyways, what are we doing? We're doing, we're doing Project 5, Circuit 5A. We're just hooking up a DC motor. This is the SparkFun Inventor's kit. This is our motor driver. This is our circuit map. So for example, I actually had a problem with the circuitry on this one. And, in case you didn't know, at the back of all the plans, there's always a troubleshooting section. And like the first thing on the troubleshooting is always just check your wiring, right? Because like there's a lot of wiring going on here. Look at this stuff, like give me a break, come on. Look, see. Anyways, so it turns out that in this zone right here, it gets really cramped. Now that's adjacent, that's equivalent to this zone right here. So what I was actually doing, I was plugging into this and this instead of this and this, and that's important. I realized because my motor wasn't moving at all, obviously because the input that comes from the RedBoard, the Arduino, from pulse modulators 12 and 13, they and 11 or something, yeah, they come in here, the signals, they come in through these, and then they hit these two, right? So if it's not connected to the right ones, then your signal will get lost and not go to where it's supposed to, which is why my motor was not moving. But now that I have fixed that, I've checked it out, and it still actually doesn't function the way I expect. So I'm just gonna upload this program and we'll see what happens. Watch for the yellow light in and around. Did you guys get that? No, there, yeah, no, whatever. Okay, so now we have our serial monitor. So we're gonna put in like 50, and it's gonna spin around like a quarter turn or something. See? But then we got a new reading called 0. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see how we got two readings here? Now, I literally copied this. Like, I always just copy them. I know it's better to type them out. But, I'm gonna be doing most of my real Arduino learning after this course is over, when I start building little sensors for my real projects, my real life experiments. So I'll be writing plenty of my own code then, and right now I just want to pass this course because I'm also trying to earn the degree. But so I copied this as is from the example thingy, and I think what's going on here is that this code is set to expect two different wheels. And I've seen this type of mistake before. See, for example, right here, they repeat right motor twice. And I can't help but wonder if that's incorrect. So I'm gonna pretend like, oh man, wait, no, that's not true. Yeah, no, that's completely the wrong theory. Anyways, I also looked up online for some other different theories, and like I found all these you know, examples, and these guys have an entirely different approach to activating the motor. For example, they tell it to go at full speed right off the bat. It's like either yes and at full speed or no. And what we're doing is we're telling it to go at a portion of the speed. But I'm just not understanding what's interfering with, like, oh man, what is it? Like, I almost want to just cancel out one of these two, because I'm thinking maybe this one's outputting the 0. Set pin to low. Are those the right ones? Yeah. Else, so spin motor, if, yeah, okay, yeah. It's this one, it's right here, like it's reading, it's producing a second reading, which is why it's just, I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Yeah, I'm not even gonna experiment. I'm just gonna shut this down and or, you know, do another few examples. See, that's one direction, and then we can also go the other direction. See, like, watch this. -50 goes. Oh, yeah, there we go. See, watch the wheel very carefully. Where's this cereal box? Here we go. Okay. See, so there's -50, goes one way. If we go 50, it'll go the other way. Go 50 again, go -50. So at this point, it's operating almost like a servo because it gets this second reading. Again, I'll look into that later. Also, the other thing about this is that, what's it called? Oh yeah, there is still more lessons, so I might actually learn the solution just by going through you know, the rest of the wheel lessons, right? Because we're actually gonna add the second wheel, so we'll see how that works. Anyways, toodaloo, folks.